Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use the StockFish engine in chess. And now how to use the StockFish engine is very easy. If you go into, for example, learn and analysis, and you go into the settings here you can see that the chess engine is StockFish. Now StockFish, what it does is it analyzes your games by your FENs and PGNs. So if we were to go to chess, find a game that I played, let's not use that one, let's use, for example, this one. And let's go into the, sorry, I do apologize. Let's use something that I've actually played. Let's do this one, for example. And you go into the analysis. What StockFish is going to do is going to analyze every single one of my moves. So e4, e5, and what I've done throughout the game. So you can see this is completely correct. But what's also doing is it's also thinking what could be the best possible scenarios if I was in that situation. So for example, rather than me going bishop here, I should have went horse here. Okay, now this could be a more of a better understanding for me especially. But this is how StockFish engine uses the analysis in order for you to tell on what to improve and what you need to kind of fix and what you're actually good at. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.